Archaeological digs on the Ophel have occurred on and off since the middle of the 19th century. But only in recent years have royal structures been uncovered in Jerusalem that closely correlate to the biblical descriptions of King Solomon's massive building projects in the books of Kings and Chronicles. In the most recent phase of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem Ophel excavations, during the summer of 2013, Dr. Eilat Mazar and her team set out to uncover more remains from the Solomonic period, and they did. But no one expected the most stunning discovery of all to come just 5 days into the dig, after excavators had barely broken through the surface of a new area.
I've never seen anything like this beautiful.
Pretty amazing.
Very exciting.
This is the third gold hoard to be found.
Happens only once in a lifetime.
This rare find was discovered just 50 meters south of the Temple Mount, inside a Byzantine structure that dates back to the 6th century of the Common Era. It's a magnificent collection of fine Byzantine jewelry, coins, and a large medallion with Jewish symbols. Most of it is made of pure gold. The collection had most likely been carefully packed and hidden by a prominent group of Jews during the Persian conquest of Jerusalem at the beginning of the 7th century CE. Just like the massive stones King Solomon used to build his royal complex, this newly discovered treasure of precious jewels and rare coins, after being buried in the earth for 14 centuries, revives a riveting and powerful testimony from a long-forgotten chapter in the 3,000-year-old history of Jewish Jerusalem. To learn more about the gold treasure recently discovered at the foot of the Temple Mount in Jerusalem, be sure to visit keytodavidcity.com. That's keytodavidcity.com.